This restored Neo-Gothic Château is for sale. Located in Centre-Val de Loire, France, it offers a habitable size of 1,526 square metres and a land size of 24.7 hectares. A fully restored Neo-Gothic château surrounded by parkland, woodland and meadows. The main house includes an entrance hall, office, 2 reception rooms, dining room, kitchen, conservatory and laundry room, with 10 ensuite bedrooms arranged across 2 floors. The 3rd floor attic offers further potential for conversion, while the basement provides cellars and storage. The estate also includes extensive outbuildings. The grounds feature a heated swimming pool, triple garage and a stream running through the land. The asking price of this Neo-Gothic château is €2,310,000. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.